Hi guys, it's me Samantha. We are here to film a new video with the new Encanto palette by Alamar Cosmetics in collaboration with Disney, the new Encanto movie. I am super excited. I ordered this as soon as it came out and we are gonna do this look here. I have a date night, so I couldn't do two looks and go out because we're gonna see Neil deGrasse Tyson and I can't be looking crazy, so when I see him, no. So yes, we will get into this. I also have the highlighter and flexor and the blush in Hermosa Rosa. I also am wearing the long wearing lip gloss in the Melo Cantado. So I will quickly just swatch all the products for you. We'll jump into the demo and then I will give you my thoughts. So first we're going to talk about so if you're new to my channel, my name is Sam. Makeup is my therapy. If you feel the same way, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell to come back and see more videos with me. So let's get into the swatches. So the palette here has 10 shadows. There are 4 mattes. There seems to be 4 metallics and then 2 shimmer shades. One of the metallics seems to be a dual chrome and we will get into that. So right here we have, I'm holding it upside down. This is the matte shade called Familia First. And she's a very like rosy tone brown. Then we have Casita, which is a metallic rosy champagne shade. Very pigmented, a little bit goes a long way, extremely creamy. Then we have Vine Time, which is an olive green. Columbia, which is a bright teal. Then we have Jaguar Park. It's a very nude brown. We have Encanto. This is a dual chrome. It's like a purple to blue.
Papa's coming today. It is almost Christmas.
Aria, why don't you go hang up your coat and then change your clothes, okay?
Porque I Can, which is a green. Sorry, I got distracted by the screaming in the background. Though that shade is a little bit more flaky and I didn't really use that formula in this palette. The next shade is the same formula. It's called Pedal to the Metal. And then the last 2 shades is Rise and Shine and Amor por Pio. So this is Amor por Pio and this one is Rise and Shine. This is what the palette looks like. It's very beautiful. It gives me like Enchanted Forest vibes. Really gorgeous. I'm super excited for that. Now we're going to quickly swatch the highlight and blush. So the blush that I got is this one called Hermosa Rosa, which I'm really excited to have because the color is absolutely stunning. I do have Alamar blushes, the trio, and their formula is amazing. This is very much, I think, the same. And there goes the blush, and that's how it looks on the cheek on my complexion. And then we have Flexor, the highlighter, and it has this beautiful sun imprint. It looked very light online and I wasn't quite sure how it would look. It's like a pink, like a peachy pink shade. Kind of reminds me of Gimme Glow California Dreaming, but it's a lot smoother. Alright, we're going to get into the demo. Alright, so we're going to go into Familia first. And I'm going to go into the crease. And that color looks pretty close to my skin tone, so I'm going to bring it almost all the way up to the brow. And then bring it kind of in. Beautiful. I'm going to zoom you in because I just realized I didn't. Alright. So you can see I have that shade really heavy here and then bringing it out. I'm going to just add a little touch more here. I actually like tweeze my eyebrows, guys. Stop being lazy. I think I brought it a little too high into the brow bone, but that's fine. Just clean it off and then take it down a little on the top. So that first brush I was using is really fluffy. I'm going to use another fluffy brush, but you could tell the size difference. And I'm going to go in with the green shade called Vine Time, just below where we put Familia first. And I'm tilting my head to just get in my crease a little more because my eyes are hooded. But you can see when I close it, you can get like a peek of that green. These kids think I am a video game master. Alright. I hope that didn't blur so much, but that's what we're looking like right now. Now I'm going to go in with an even smaller fluffy brush, which is my Morphe M506. So the other two are BH brushes that they don't have anymore, but they're pretty common size. So now we're going to go into Columbia, which is that bright teal color, and just keep that in the outer V. Just on initial placement, I really like how pigmented that is. And I'm playing dangerous today because I did my face makeup first. So hopefully we don't get crazy fallout. I'm pulling it out a little so I can get more of like that foxy, I guess, look. Just want it to like poke out. And then I'm bringing it real close in the... I feel like my concealer's not doing great, but my fallout isn't getting crazy. I'm not getting any fallout, I should say. I do want to bring that in just a little bit more, so like right there. It may disappear when I add the shimmer, but I just like when it comes in that little bit because I feel like it's a surprise when I open my eyes. Alright, there's a lot of really beautiful shimmers in here, and part of me wants to use them all. Alright, so I'm going to take this shade right here. It's like a champagne color. It's Casita. It's very metallic. I'm going to put that on the inner third and bring it to the center. And I like to use my finger. You don't have to use your finger. Very metallic and beautiful. And there's still so much product on my hand. I'm not going to wipe it off because I'll just use that on the other side. Because I try not to be wasteful. Alright, so now we're taking the blue teal color called Encanto, which is this one right here. It might be a dual chrome, I don't know. And I'm going to blend that with the green. It doesn't flow as well as I thought it would, so I might what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag the blue kind of over that whole teal. So it kind of becomes one color, and then I'm going to take that first shade and dab that over the blue to blend it more. So that was this one right here called Encanto, and that's actually a dual chrome. It's like blue to purple. So now we're gonna take Rise and Shine, which is a gold, and it's probably another metallic. I haven't swatched these by the time I'm doing the demo because I'm filming it first. So I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. And I'm going to just take my finger with that champagne shade and kind of blend them a little. Yeah, that looks pretty. So I'm going to take with a small smudger brush and go into Vine Time, which is the olive color, and bring that to my lower lash line. And then Columbia just on the outer side. But then I'm going to go to Encanto and go over Columbia. And then I'm taking Casita for the front portion. And then I want to go into Familia first, which is that first brown color that's up here, and just blend the edges. Alright, so I finally finished the rest of my eyes, and we're gonna try the blush. Let me see. Yes, so this is the blush I got in Hermosa Rosa, Beautiful Rosa, which my mother's middle name is Rosa, so I love that. And she is a beautiful coral. So let's put her on. I have this like Luxie blush brush. It's angled, and I'm gonna go like this because I'm trying not to ruin the embossing because I'm anal like that. And I'm gonna start at the balls of my cheek. Ooh, she's pretty. Oh, that looks so refreshing. Like, really, really pretty. I'm gonna lightly bring it up, but not as much as I used to, just because I'm trying to be a little more subtle for tonight. Put a little on my nose, put it on my forehead. So subtle. Alright, that is gorgeous. I love the color. It has like a really pretty sheen without being like crazy glowy. This is like one that I feel like I could like never stop putting on. Like I just go forever and get easily out of hand because I won't stop. But it gives such a nice touch to the skin, and it's a pretty contrast to that green teal blue color on my lid. So let's try the highlighter. So the highlighter they had was in the shade Flex, and it's like a peachy gold. It's hard to see like on camera. I'm gonna swatch. I'm a little nervous that it's gonna be icy, but we'll see how it goes. And I have just this Luxie highlighter brush. I am a little worried that it would be a little light on me, but we'll see. It's pretty. It just needed a little more buffing in the skin, and I didn't want to add too much product, so Let's do it on the other side because I always feel like the lighting on this side is just a tad better. It's because like I have a wall and a window right here. It's night, so it's a little bit more controlled where the room is open here and I have, you know, other lighting in the room. So that looks a little bit better because I'm like working it into the skin. It's not one you're just gonna brush on. You have to like kind of swirl it into the skin. I am gonna add a little bit more because I feel like now that I realize you could buff it in, I don't mind adding a little touch more. I'm gonna lower the lights just a tad. So you guys see that? And it doesn't look too light. Actually, I don't see like a crazy cast on my skin tone. So I did get one more thing I want to try, and it is the long wear lip gloss, and I got it in the shade Dímelo Cantado. The only thing is I haven't opened this, but I don't know if you can see. It looks like it's already kind of dry in the tube. I don't know if you can see that, like the cracks in the gloss. It's supposed to be a gloss, but I'm going to open it and I'm going to try pumping it a little. It does feel very thick. Hopefully it's not sticky. It's very goopy. Like when it came out, I had like a string. Oh, it's very thick. It's very, very beautiful. Very thick. Like I'm very aware that I have a gloss on my lip, but it's not doing any weird sticking things. And it looks pretty opaque. I think it's sticky because it's supposed to be long wear. It does feel almost like a lip gloss wants to be a lipstick, but it's not quite drying down. So I'll have to see like how I feel at the end of the night. I'll probably put like a pinned comment down below on what I think about the long wear, you know, claim on it. But I do like the color. I think it is really pretty. So yeah, let me zoom out, get the rest of my thoughts together, and I will give you my opinion. Guys, so that is the look with the palette. Honestly, I absolutely love the color story. The packaging is really cute, and I cannot wait to watch it on streaming Disney Plus on Christmas Eve. We did not see it in theaters just because we went to see Ghostbusters Afterlife, and I didn't feel comfortable taking the kids out to the movies like multiple times within a short period of time. So yeah, I really love the color story in this. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and based on the trailer I feel like it matches the theme of the movie. And then the blush is the formula. I'm pretty damn sure it's the same exact formula that's in their blush palettes, which is amazing. And I just love this color. Like there's not one dud in here. The only thing that I'm probably going to want to follow up with you guys on is the gloss, because it claims to be long wearing. It does feel like it's less tacky now that it's been sitting on my lips for some time, and the opacity and shine is still there, so that's really exciting. But I will put a pinned comment down below on what I think of this. Overall, I love everything. I wish I could have purchased more from the collection, but honestly, Christmas is coming and I need to like buy shit for other people too. But yes, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down, and thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it. Have a good night. Bye.